So over the last couple of years, Perkins Insurance Agency has been experiencing a lot of growth and a lot of changes. And I am excited to talk about another one of those changes, a new team member that we just brought on, and we have worked together over the last decade or so in an agent and carrier relationship. And just recently we were afforded the opportunity to recruit this person onto our team from one of our major insurance companies. And so I'm excited to introduce you to my good friend, Gina Wallisa. Gina, good morning.
Good morning. Thank you, Mark.
You're welcome.
Appreciate that.
So I am so honored that you joined us. If you don't know Gina, Gina was the program manager for State Auto Insurance. And what that means is you focused on some niche markets for them company-wide.
That's correct.
And one of those really good industries that you saw a lot of success in, I know, and is dear to your heart, is the hospitality and restaurant industry. And so talk a little bit about your time there with State Auto and what you did and what you learned in that particular segment.
Thank you, Mark. Yeah, I really did enjoy working in that role as program manager with State Auto, and it really gave me the pleasure of working directly with the state restaurant associations. So I spent a lot of time with them and their members, and at their conferences really learning and hearing directly from them their issues. And they face some major issues today, and it just seems like it keeps coming. They've got third-party delivery systems that are encroaching on their business, and they're trying to figure out a way to how to compete with that while still, maintaining the integrity of their operations at the restaurants. So my passion is to learn more about their issues and bring the experience that I have on the insurance carrier side to create new and innovative solutions to better serve their needs.
Oh, I love that. And I think for us, we've been talking about, as we've talked through this potential opportunity to work together, what's important for our team, and I think our interests really aligned in that we like to educate our clients so that they are empowered to really make the decisions that's best for them. We're talking about bringing that yes answer to them, and which allows restaurant owners or our businesses or our clients to really achieve their goals. And I think that is one thing we really have talked about is bringing a team together to educate these specific operators and these owners of restaurants to make decisions that are right for them.
Right, absolutely.
So tell me a little bit about this transition. I know you are focused on restaurants, and we want to really hit that. I don't know where I'm going with that question.
Well, the reason why I'm focused on that industry is that what I learned being on the carrier side is I was limited to what carriers' appetites are and what they're willing to do for them. Having learned their issues, I wanted to be able to do more, and I couldn't do that in my role on the carrier side. So as an agent, you have many carriers at your disposal, not disposal, but at your
you have many carriers
available to you. Yeah. And so you can bring a lot more solutions to their problems. And I also think there's definitely room for creation, new innovative products, and I'd like to be that bridge. I'd like to be the one that helps our carrier partners come up with these new solutions and at the same time providing great solutions for the restaurant.
So one thing I think is very unique for us in our partnership together in this is that you have your years of experience on the underwriting marketing side. You get the aspect of what carriers are looking for in a risk.
Absolutely.
And then combining that with a retail agency and an agent like myself that's a certified insurance counselor, certified risk manager, we can really package those two sides of the house, so to speak, and have a unique product offering. And why that's important for potential clients is that not only are you getting that risk management piece, that agent piece that we both are now, but you're getting someone in Gina that really understands what a company is looking for from a risk and underwriting perspective. And so that's unique.
Thank you for saying that.
Yeah, and I don't know that there's another opportunity out there like that for potential clients to partner with. So I am totally excited about that. Talk to me about where we see this going with our potential work with associations. I know that is a good key point for you in your relationship with associations. Talk about that a little bit in your past and where you want to see that go in the future.
Well, again, what I'd like to see is, as an agency partner, to be able to learn more and kind of just dive into their world and really take back what can we provide as solutions. They're not always insurance solutions. They could be advice on contractual liabilities, some contractual transferring of risk there that they just don't have in place right now. So there's many ways that we can help them sort of manage their risk, and it's not always an insurance product solution. And I did work on a private company side before, so I know what it's like to be on that side looking out into the insurance industry. And they're focused on what they do as a business. So it's important that we're there as their professional to help them with the insurance needs to help them grow and build their business and not deter that.
Absolutely. We've talked too about core pillars of our agency where we see that going, and one of those being community. I know the associations have a pretty tight community, and we really want to feed into that, and there's a couple of ways we can do that. We talked about the education piece, empowering their members to make decisions that are best for them and right for them. Communication being key, and one thing that I believe our agency does really well is use technology, and whether it's face-to-face like this, or whether it's email or phone or fax, text, whatever the case may be, we want to find ways to make insurance easy for consumers and our clients. And that's a little more fun. We want to do it to where it's not a laborious process for them. So I look forward to you being involved with that, and I know we're going to do a lot of good things together.
Well, I'm excited and I'm eager to start.
I am too. Thank you.
Thank you.